Welcome back to our podcast where we explore the latest tools and technologies that can improve the way we work and organize our digital lives. Today, we're diving into an interesting application called NeatShift, designed to help users manage their files in a smarter way. So, you know how chaotic our digital spaces can become, right? We've all been there. File folders scattered everywhere, hard drives stuffed to the brim with duplicate files. It feels like a digital jungle. Well, NeatShift aims to clear some of that clutter without sacrificing accessibility. Now, let's unpack how this tool works. NeatShift is a Windows application that allows you to move files around while still keeping access to them via something called symbolic links. Picture symbolic links as signposts. Even if you move your favorite hiking trail map to another location in the woods, the signpost still points you to where it is. This feature is a game changer for file organization. One really cool aspect is the app's smart file movement capability. It not only organizes your files, but does so safely, as it creates automatic system restore points beforehand. This means if anything goes south, you can revert your system back to its previous state. It's like having a safety net while you juggle your files. Okay, let's talk about how it looks. NeatShift sports a sleek, modern interface that's customized for Windows 11, with options for dark and light themes. Whether you prefer working in a bright workspace or a more subdued backdrop, it's got you covered. And if you're a fan of dragging and dropping files around, you'll love the intuitive design that makes selection super easy. A quick heads up, though, if you're a developer and curious about the behind-the-scenes stuff, you can clone their GitHub repository and dive into the source code if you'd like. Just ensure you have the right tools like Visual Studio 2022 and the .NET 6.0 SDK to get started. It's a little techy, but, for those who like to tinker, this could be a fun project. Now, I have to mention something important. The app is currently in its testing phase. So while it has those handy automatic restore points, it's wise to still do manual backups. It sort of makes sense, right? Better safe than sorry, especially when shifting files around. Moving on to the system requirements, NeatShift runs on Windows 7 and later, but it's best enjoyed on Windows 10 or 11. Make sure you have enough space on your disk, about 100 megabytes should do, and you'll need admin privileges for some of its functions, like creating those symbolic links. Before we wrap up, let's think about the broader implications of using a tool like NeatShift. It's not just about organizing files, it's about reclaiming your digital space. Think about it. When your files are organized, you're not only saving time searching for documents, but also reducing stress. And if anyone's been in the tech ecosystem long enough, you know that a calm digital space can lead to clearer thinking and increased productivity. So, to all our listeners out there battling the digital mess, consider giving NeatShift a try. It might just help you gain that control over your files that you've been craving. Thanks for tuning in today. We love sharing these insights with you. If you have any thoughts or experiences with file organization tools, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep your files neat and your mind organized.